In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion time management using a simple planner and dashboard setup that helps you organize tasks, deadlines, and your daily and weekly schedule in one place. We'll start by creating a planner or a time management dashboard inside Notion. This will be your central workspace where everything is easy to see and update. The goal here is to build a system that feels clean and practical so you can manage your day without jumping between different pages. Think of this dashboard as your command center for planning, tracking, and reviewing your time. Next, create a task database. This is where you'll add all of your tasks and keep them organized. For each task, include a due date so you always know when something needs to be finished. Add a priority field as well so you can quickly tell what needs your attention first. Then include a status field to track whether a task has not started, is in progress, or is complete. These details make the database much more useful because they help you sort and filter your work based on urgency and progress. After that, create a calendar view of your task database. This makes it much easier to visualize deadlines and events across the month or week. Instead of only reading tasks in a list, you'll be able to see when work is clustered together and when your schedule is lighter. A calendar view is especially helpful for avoiding missed deadlines and planning ahead more realistically. Once your calendar is ready, make a daily view for today's tasks. This keeps your focus narrow and prevents overwhelm. Rather than looking at everything at once, you'll only see what matters today. This is a great way to stay present, work more intentionally, and avoid getting distracted by tasks that can wait. Then create a weekly planning view. This gives you a broader perspective and helps you map out your upcoming responsibilities. A weekly view is useful for balancing your workload, preparing for important deadlines, and making sure your time is distributed in a manageable way throughout the week. Now add time blocks for focused work, study sessions, or errands. Time blocking helps turn your task list into an actual schedule. Instead of only knowing what you need to do, you'll also know when you plan to do it. This can make your day feel more structured and helps protect time for deep work and important responsibilities. Finally, review your schedule every day and adjust any unfinished tasks. This review routine keeps your planner current and realistic. If something didn't get done, simply move it and rework your plan. The key is consistency. With a simple daily review, your Notion system becomes a tool you can actually rely on.